Hi all, this is Mrs. Mester, librarian at Chinook, and we're coming up on Read Across America Day. And the theme of Read Across America Day is celebrating a nation of diverse readers. And so I really wanted to highlight some great books that we have available for you that you can check out. Most of them are available from Sora. They're all available in our school library as a physical book. So you can put them on hold through Destiny for your curbside pickup, or you can check them out through Sora. First, I want to highlight Opposite of Always and Everything, Everything by Nicola Yoon. These are both romantic stories. They're a little bit swoon-worthy, and they're just pretty wonderful escape books. If you haven't read either of these, you should. They're both really great. Everything, Everything by Nicola Yoon is also, this is the same author that wrote The Sun is Also a Star, so some of you have read that. Everything, Everything has been also turned into a movie, so you might have read that movie, but Opposite of Always and Everything, Everything. And if you are interested in like Black Lives Matter movement, but in a different way, Slay and A Song Below Water both totally address Black Lives Matter movement, but Slay is a mystery set in a video game, and it is so fun, and you can't put it down because you're trying to figure out what's going on. A Song Below Water has mermaids and magical creatures and is set in Portland, and there is also a mystery that you're trying to figure out what is going on. But both of these, they're just pretty wonderful. Both of these are ebooks and also physical books. We Hunt the Flame is fantasy based on mythology from the Middle East. It is set in, another world. It's a fantasy. But the main character is a huntress, and she's trying to save her people from destruction. There's evil genies and adventure and romance, and it's just pretty great. Love, Hate, and Other Filters is it's a romantic comedy, perfect for talking about prejudice against Muslim Americans. And we have this both as a physical book and a ebook. Aristotle and Dante discover the secrets of the universe, and I'll Give You the Sun by Jandy Nelson. Both deal with LGBT stories, and they're both just so wonderful. Aristotle and Dante discover the secrets of the universe is just beautifully written, set as a conversation, as these two characters are sitting in the back of the truck watching the stars. I'll Give You the Sun. Main character is main character and his sister are figuring out what's going on, and both of these I have in the realistic fiction section. They deal more with just real life issues. Efren Divided, main character's mother is deported when he is at school one day, and so suddenly he's trying to figure out what to do and how to save his family. And if you've ever struggled with fitting in, or immigration, or being poor, or having family, or anything, you would like Efren Divided. Merci Suarez changes gears. Something's going on with the main character's grandfather, and she is kept in the dark, and so she's trying to figure out what's going on. She's also starting a new school and trying to fit in, trying to save money for a new bike, and so yeah, it deals with family and friendship and being different, and it's just great. If you like graphic novels, both of these are non-fiction graphic novels, Vietnamerica and When Stars Are Scattered. So nonfiction means they tell a true story. They're both memoirs, and they talk about just different things. So Vietnamerica, about Vietnam. When Stars Are Scattered is about Sudan. Victoria Jameson, the author of When Stars Are Scattered, is also the author and creator of Roller Girl, so some of you may have read those books. Anyway, I hope that you find a good book to read. Log into Sora or Destiny to find a good book. There's so many more. This is just a brief highlight of some of the books and resources available to us. But we know that when we read, we're sharing stories that amplify voices around our community. And we know that there's more that we need to do. So let's just keep reading, keep finding good stories. And if you find a book that we don't have, please let me know so we can try to get it. Thank you. Have a great day.